My name is Cesar Parroco. I'm representing Nikon Middle East. And of course, I'm coming from Dubai yesterday to conduct a series of workshops here in Doha, Qatar. And I would like to express my gratitude to Qatar Photography Center under the Ministry of Culture and under the leadership of Abdullah Al-Mesli for really supporting the culture of and promoting the culture of photography here in Doha. Today we have conducted a Nikon Creative Lighting System class wherein people have to learn about how to light the subject properly, and of course it's more of a practical session rather than just theory. So we brought in a model, we brought in some lights to really hold it how to control it properly. And of course, tomorrow we will be conducting another workshop, which is videography for photographers. Again, another practical session where people has to shoot and of course come back here in the center and edit their whatever they shoot. And again, would like to thank Salam Studio and of course Qatar Photography Center for always helping us, for always supporting this kind of project. Thank you so much.